Different types of doctors and what they do. Pediatrician. Pediatricians treat illnesses in infants, children, and teenagers. Podiatrist. Podiatrists are experts in foot, ankle, and lower limb health. Gynecologist. Gynecologists specialize in female reproductive health. Optometrist. Optometrists examine eye for vision disorders and prescribe glasses and contact lenses. Psychologist. Psychologists focus on providing psychotherapy or talk therapy to help patients. Psychiatrist. Psychiatrists diagnose mental health illnesses and prescribe medicine to treat patients. So a psychiatrist can prescribe medicine, but psychologists do not prescribe medicine. Dermatologist. Dermatologists specialize in skin conditions. Urologist. Urologists treat illnesses of urinary system, including the kidneys, bladder, and prostate. Neurologist. Neurologists treat disorders of the nervous system, including diseases of the brain, spinal cord, nerves, and muscles. Cardiologist. Cardiologists treat patients with heart conditions. Anesthesiologist. Anesthesiologists specialize in administering anesthesia, the treatment that keeps you from feeling pain during surgery. Oncologist. Oncologists diagnose and treat cancer. Orthopedist. Orthopedists focus on injuries and diseases affecting bones, muscles, and joints. Pulmonologist. Pulmonologists diagnose and treat diseases of the respiratory system, such as your lungs and windpipe. This one's a bit tricky, but I'm sure you can do this. Otolaryngologist. Otolaryngologists treat issues in your ears, nose, or throat. Radiologist. Radiologists interpret X-rays and other medical imaging tests such as CT scans and MRIs. Are there any other specialists I have not included in this video? I doubt it, but if there are, write them in the comment section below.